I'm here to promote the construction industry and attract more people into this industry, without which we won't have homes, schools, bridges, or overall infrastructure. One of the most important structural components of a construction building is reinforcing bar. What is rebar? Rebar, or reinforcing bar, is a common feature of many concrete applications. Its primary purpose is to increase the tensile strength of the concrete. With greater tensile strength, concrete is better able to resist breaking under tension. Visit any construction site and you will most likely find a crew of rebar workers. They're the skilled tradespeople who use iron, steel mesh, steel rebar, and cables to reinforce the concrete buildings, roadways, and bridges. On a typical day, rebar workers' tasks may include reading blueprints or looking through the sketches to determine how to install rebar and mesh, figuring out the quantity, size, and shapes of reinforcing bars, and determining where to place them, preparing rebar and mesh for installation by using metal shears and cut-off saws, bending or welding rebar together, installing cables, using pliers to tie the wire around rods to fasten them together, positioning and installing the rebar, mesh, and cables inside the concrete forms. Reinforcing iron and rebar are very important components of buildings, bridges, roads, and other structures. Often, these tradespeople work in the new structures, but they also work in structures that need restoration. And one may ask, what are the wages for rebar workers? And that's a really good question. A rebar worker's salary can vary depending on location, experience, and employer. Median salary for a worker could be between $50,000 to $60,000 in the year 2022 going towards 2023. And the top 10% working in the rebar industry will make $90,000 to $100,000 a year. Again, don't quote me on this is just a ballpark. What are the education requirements and qualifications? Actually, no formal education past high school is required for this job. You can get informal on-the-job training by experienced workers on a construction site. You will have to do unskilled labor, which will include carrying the rebar. Your other option is to enter a formal apprenticeship program that's being offered by a company or a union. It usually takes about 3 to 4 years to complete these types of programs. Not everyone makes a good rebar worker. Solid physical health can mean greater success in this position. The statistics show that this industry will grow faster than average for all occupations through 2026 at a rate of 12%. That's because reinforcing concrete is an important part of commercial and industrial construction. I'm so proud to say that I have met and worked with so many amazing rebar workers in my construction career. Their resilience and stamina for the work that they do and never dying enthusiasm and camaraderie have always inspired me. If you're a person that has a passion for building and construction, I wanted to become an amazing rebar worker, earn more money, and serve your community, then enter this wonderful industry by making a decision right now. Let us help you to map out your career path and have you paid top dollar while you become a construction legend. And if you are a rebar company that is interested in partnering with us to promote your company and attract more people into this trade, then give us a call and let's set up a Q&A session to see how we can help you out. Folks, I see a huge gap that needs to be filled, and everyone must work hand in hand to achieve the desired and the beneficial goal for the construction industry. We really need more qualified people to keep building our cities and countries, and I trust that we can do it. Come and join us today to start building your career in construction.